Well, in this question, a woman starts walking from her home at 9 a.m. She walks with a certain speed, and the road is straight to her office, which is 2.5 kilometers away. And on return journey at 5 p.m., she returns back by an auto. Now, with all these given conditions, we have to choose a suitable scale and plot a distance time graph. On the onward journey, the time taken by the lady by walking to reach to her office will be distance divided by speed. T is equal to distance by speed or velocity. Then that is equal to 2.5 kilometers. That is the distance divided by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. This is equal to 0.5 hours. Now, the time taken by the lady to reach to her office by walking is half an hour. That is 0.5 hour. Now, on the return journey, if we see, the time taken will be distance is 2.5 kilometers, still the same, and the speed or the velocity of the auto in this case, which runs faster than walking, will be 25 kilometers, and that is equal to 1 by 10th of an hour, and this is equal to 0.1 hour, 0.1 hour or 6 minutes. Okay, now let us plot a distance time graph with all these information. We have to choose, the question says we have to choose a suitable scale also. So the scale that I prefer to choose is an hour. Each division will be of 1 hour. So 9, 10, 11, in between you can place 9:30 so that the time at which she reaches her office can be explained in the graph. Then similarly up till 6 o'clock, because at 5 she leaves her office and comes back home. So by at least by 6 she would be able to reach her home. Just a rough calculation. Okay. On the distance, we would plot like a for each interval of half a kilometer, 0.5. You can take one also, but since the distance to our office is 2.5, so it will be better if we take, each intervals of 0.5. In that case, the graph will be neat. So from 9 to 9:30, she is walking and she has reached her office. And from 9:30 till 5, she hasn't walked. So the displacement will be 2.5 meter and it will be constant. And after 5, from 5 to 5 6 506, she is sitting on her auto and coming back home, returning back home, and at 506 she reached her home back, and the displacement is 0. So this will be the displacement time graph for her going to her office and returning back.